Okay, 7:45 a.m., Wednesday the 22nd. Doors are open, cloudy day, it's already 70 degrees. Today is close the mech room day. So right after we have some coffee and some breakfast, we're going to come out here. We got to move all these batteries, the freezers, take that shelf down, clear that area out, clear it out, and begin. Helpers here showed up late yesterday afternoon. Neighbors coming over in a little while, and we're going to knock this room out. All right, more to come. This is the build of the mech room, documenting the progress, or lack of. All right, here's a little update. It's about 12:30. We got the wall prefabbed, about to get nailed together as soon as we switch the air compressor back over to 120, so I can run it off the big generator over there, because I don't have a 220 plug that fits the generator. Another section of wall here. I've got everything decommissioned. Dragged all the batteries out. Now I gotta rewire, get rid of that big elbow, get my 4-aught wires coming out of the Magnum system so I can move all the batteries back over. Hook up my 2 generator lines going into the Magnum box. Assemble everything, turn everything back on. So, boy, this is turning into quite the project. Everything's missing. Haul all these back in, hook these all back up. All right, more to come. What a job. Okay, today's day 2 of the build, Thursday the 23rd, I think. Yeah, pretty much. We ripped everything down. Batteries have all been removed, reinstalled, bus bars moved. I got the 220 line that I still got to tighten up, is installed into the Magnum system. That was all changed. I've got the switch box on the wall so I can charge with 120 or 240 volts, depending on which generator I use. Just about everything that could possibly go wrong yesterday did. We got the walls going up here shortly. Those are pre-built. This will be the closing in the front of the mechanical room. That one there with a little cutout in it, that's to clear the plumbing and electrical coming in from outside. And we had compressor issues. I had to get my neighbor's compressor over here. And this whole place was shut down all day long. I didn't get this back up and running until about 6:30 last night. Lots of brain damage. So hopefully today, this will be the last time it looks like just a big empty hole. There's going to be the roof up there, floor joist, plywood, insulation, door, the whole bit. So I'll update that tonight or tomorrow. And if nothing else, I'll get to look back and watch this and have a chuckle. And then I got to move these guys when everything's done one last time, get rid of them, and put the EG4 lithium battery system in. And that's going to be more brain damage and take another, replace my Outback Charger with another midnight. All right, that's it for now, Thursday. We'll see how far we get today. Hopefully no hiccups. All right, here's a little update. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon, Thursday. And everything is actually working out well. I have one large 4-foot wide door, which is exactly what I wanted. And now we're laying out the inside. We got the little corner floor joist married up to that wall. And the concrete in this building is up and down. It's all out of whack. The guy really messed this place up when he poured it, because he didn't give a shit, because he told me I know what I'm doing, repeatedly. So there's the wall. We're going to run the floor joists up across. We're going to lay them out now. Throw a piece of plywood down up there for the floor. That'll be the ceiling. Things are going good. I got my deer fence back there, my Job netting to put the insulation up against to keep that away from the building from getting wet condensation. It's working out pretty good. All right, more to come. This is going to be wrapped up today. Fantastic. Okay, day 2, about 4:30. We got the plywood up on the second level all nailed in. We got the wall in. Floor joists are all in. We made all the corrections we needed to make to work around the middle building and the other issues we've had. This ceiling is even with the second level deck. which is a little bit taller than that water tank storage building that was kind of just doing up real quick. So now I got to run some wiring, some lights, some insulation, put the boards up, make my little cutout for the electrical and plumbing in here. Get this all painted up pretty. And it'll be time to take all these batteries out of here and put the lithiums in. I got the little filter in on the wall, which I may build a little box around it. Actually put probably a 12 or 24 volt fan in there. I got them in stock for ventilation. All right, that's a little update. More to come. Everything else I can do here by myself now. That's pretty cool. Worked out really, really well. Today went smooth, no brain damage like yesterday. All right, more to come when it gets finished.